Guys, next up is AMC, you guys. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to apply multiple time frame analysis, which helps us find our support and resistance lines, our targets, our entries, our stop loss, and all that good stuff, okay? So yesterday we closed at 2% or almost 3% at 974. This morning we are up another almost 2% and we're at 990 pre-market, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. Let me go ahead and explain to you what the support and resistance lines are for our new viewers. This top line is our major resistance. You can see that we came up, got rejected here and here. Back here we have these two candlesticks, and then one on the opposite side, which is this engulfing candlestick over here. And then down here is our major support line. You can see that we tend to bounce and react from this area and over here, and then underneath working as resistance and resistance over here. So these are both heavily tested areas, you guys. Let me go ahead and dive into where we're at. So we were in this clear downtrend, you guys, and we started pulling back. Hold on one second. I apologize. All right. So yeah, we pulled back down to this major support line, you guys. You can see that we are finally above this trend line. Let me go ahead and check the volume. The volume, we're at 1 million, so that's not too bad. We're above that 150,000 that we like to see. If you were to get in right now, you guys, I don't see a problem since we created this higher low. We're above the trend line. We have good volume. I would maybe set your first target to $11 or maybe around $11.63. Have your stop loss. So your stop loss is going to vary between the type of trader you are. So if you're a long-term core trader or a swing trader, you might want to have your stop loss below the support line, that being around the $8.15 or maybe around the $7 area. And then your first target would still be around the $11, and then your second target being at the $14.50, that being our previous highest point, okay? As of a day trader or swing trader, we would have to break down to a smaller time frame and see this more clearly. You could have a tighter stop loss, maybe underneath over here at the 958 area, or you can have it around the 932 area, and then your first target would still be this previous pivot up here at the 1176, okay? And on the RSI, you can see that we were oversold and starting to correct and reverse in this area too. So on my checklist, you guys, overall, this does check off majority of the boxes. However, we still want to be careful. Always have a stop loss or a mental stop loss in mind, so that way if things do go sour, we'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry. But as of right now, I don't see any problems with getting in. Just be careful, you guys. Like I said, you need money management to be successful at this, and that means including having a stop loss and having an idea or a trading plan on when you're going to get out, where your first target's going to be, and all that good stuff, okay? So I like to make these videos as fast and as efficient as possible, and if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content every single morning for you guys, Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.